preparing.
Hey, you got to try a new shirt.
We got a free shirt. What's the bet?
I don't know. Y'all making it up. You told me I couldn't do it.
Yeah, and you said you bet you could.
And
I'm going to bet one button.
one button?
One button. Just don't move your arms.
Just so y'all know, I'm 6'1". What does that say on there? 22? Small. Oh yeah. Ready, set. I think I gotta.
It's the Corona jacket.
I'm gonna have to attack this with a double wing like you do kids. You know what I mean? Flip it upside down, over the head, and shake it down. Shake it, shake it. Ah.
Oh, he's getting it.
Yeah. I have to button it up too.
Yep.
Oh man, that's gonna be the harder part. Suck it in.
Oh yeah, you got it.
Oh, I'm good. I'm
Yep.
golden. She's stretchable. Maybe not. It's not this part we need to worry about. It's the lower section. Maybe. Oh, we're good. We're good. I'm fitting there like a glove.
Do it.
Don't let out.
Oh, it's so cute.
New working tire. We're good. It's gotta make a little room.
It's breathable.
Oh, very. You got some rockin' toes.
It's a little short, guys. I think my belly button's hanging out.
It's a maternity.
Oh.
Now the real trick is getting it off. It's not getting it on. Oh, here we go.
Smile with your shirt.
I win! You buy lunch! And you buy lunch! Ha! Welcome back to that One Shop YouTube channel. Once again, under another truck. Ugh. This time, somebody fucked. Oh, that's not supposed to be like that. Yeah, it broke her a little bit. So we get to deal with today. Put new T case in. Something happened. More like they didn't check transfer case fluid and got a little hot and broke some things. So stay with us. Remember, like, subscribe, ring that bell. Want to see more like this carnage? Let's get at it.
I actually don't know if anybody did. Alright guys, got the transfer case out. There, I'll bust it open. We'll go over here. This is the new unit, ready to go. come back to you guys when we get that some bitch in. Okay, everything's back in. Woo.
It's like, If anybody wants to see how a transfer case, comment below. We'll do a video on it.
Well,
We got a cutaway now.
brand new one's all up in there, reinstalled. We's all good to go.
A few moments later.
So we got some pops and some bangs, huh? Some poppies, some bangies.
Oh yeah, front rear's going. Oh, look at that.
Oh. Oh, look at that. That's not supposed to do that.
The velocity joint.
Let the spirit say.